Thousands of prisoners in São Paulo are scheduled to be granted a few days of freedom outside prison this week, but state authorities feared the inmates released on good behavior could bring the coronavirus back into the prisons upon their return, so officials canceled the benefit. This led to riots and prison breaks at overcrowded facilities, seen on the cell phone pictures shared on social networks. About 1,300 prisoners ran away. Police says close to half were captured by Tuesday afternoon. The prison riots come as the coronavirus spreads in Brazil and growing numbers of people isolate themselves to avoid exposure. On Tuesday, Brazil had its first confirmed death caused from COVID-19 in the city of São Paulo. It was a 62-year-old man who had diabetes and high blood pressure. He had not traveled abroad recently, so he was contaminated here in Brazil. He showed the first symptoms a week ago, was admitted to the hospital and died earlier this week, so 6 days between the first symptoms and death. São Paulo state authorities held a news conference.
We have to use the date and the knowledge related to this death to help us fight the disease. What we noticed is that the disease had fast progression, from the time he was admitted to hospital to death. This knowledge helps us with the measures and procedures we need to adopt to deal with the problem.
The fact that this death was caused by a local infection shows the importance of all the measures being taken to avoid the spread of the virus here.
The State Health Secretary said this would be the last interview using this news conference format. From now on, all briefings about the coronavirus will happen remotely via video conference to minimize the risk of spreading the disease. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, São Paulo.